I say, ooh, I was blinded by the light. What's going on, my viewers and my subscribers? Welcome back to your YouTube channel, you know. Welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. And you don't know, so today I'm there with the next adventure for a different kind of video. But you want to know what happened? Say, I never managed to catch a fish. I went spearfishing yesterday. I didn't really manage to catch any fish, so my GoPro was giving a whole lot of trouble and stuff like that. I managed to call, I got an Octopus, and Raj ended up getting a snapper. So today I will be doing a Octopus with fish head soup. Yeah man, so that's the whole plan. So right now what I will be doing, I'll be rolling back on the clips of what have happened yesterday with very few little clips that I caught. And when Raj had speared the snapper, and you know, we had like a good time. So I mean, just stick and stay, and I hope you really like this one, saying stay tuned. You don't know, just may have something forwarding. You get me? Yeah man, so watch this now. Alright guys, so right now I'm at a local stall. I try to get some ingredients. I don't know, juggling stay at Jamaica. Have everything, need some scallion and thyme, pound of Irish, I don't know, yam. Guys, so basically get everything we need, and now just the carrot. And you say you don't have a carrot, right? No carrot. Alright, so we'll move on and get the carrot, and I think I'm gonna need a coconut milk as well, and then we'll be back in the kitchen, alright? So these are all the ingredients I went and grabbed earlier on the street, you know, from the local markets and stuff. So I have yam, cock soup, coconut milk, Irish, carrots, and scallion pepper, thyme, and stuff like that. And we have peas. I have a pressure cooker because we have to pressure our peas and stuff like that to make it much faster. Alright, so stay tuned, and have a cook in the kitchen today. It will be Benji doing all the cooking and stuff. So watch this now, alright? Yeah viewers, so it's been a minute since Benji been on the channel. However, I'm day off today. Yeah man, so boss, I do a thing in idea, you know? Don't know, washing peas and yeah man, a good old sea cat.
Yeah, so while I've gone to shop and listening on Benji in the kitchen, Benji I go and prep up a thing. So I'm going to take over and video till him forward. Okay.
No, I'm not gonna make it still here for people.
Benji put him on for go and boil a little bit more, get it tender and nice right now, so we have some seasoning. And while I still not come from a shop yet. Oh, it's yellow yam or white yam? Oh, yellow yam that. We have carrots, Irish, pepper, scallion, thyme, roots and noodles, coconut milk.
Like a Tony in Ghana shop.
Call the boy.
Like a Tony in Ghana shop. I think I've got an opinion. No. That's what we do.
Good man. Yeah, he told you for dumpling.
Get up. Get up. Alright.
Too much flour that one. So I always leave a little extra in a bag, just in case it spoils, you know?
Yeah.
Too much water, you just throw some more flour. So I always leave a little extra in a bag, just in case it spoils, you know?
Yeah.
Too much water, you just throw some more flour.
I don't think I can manage 10.
Go 3.
3. You can't slow my anymore. I one day, you know, you so much up all like 15.
I eat some dumpling, man.
You go. Eh?
Yeah, sir.
see that video, Jim. That to you. Chop here. Yeah, put even fish in there now. So this will be cardi, right? Them thing,
Yeah, some okra and pumpkin in there.
Yeah, man, we get. Yeah, shot when I get that thing shot again. You see, that's nice. Put even scaling and time, you know. Make it go down where you go. See my shovel?
Roast and noodle.
Yeah. Cook shit.
Man, so I go on there. Benji pot, you know. Just start bubble up again. What is it now? Coconut milk. Yeah. Snap of that from yesterday. Like I use the bone and mix soup. But I put it in there soup, ribs and everything. So I'm gonna take off the meat. Alright, I know. Alright, see the peeps. We have the middle bone, backbone, tail, ribs, wing. No, we hook the wing, sorry. And see there's some nice piece of fillet over there, so now Benji got them into his soup.
Yeah, mommy, what you say?
Oh Lord. Chavis, you want TSC?
Chavis can't manage
Nice.
them as super, man. Your peeps, you see it there? You don't know what go on.
It's a Benjamin.
Benji can't cook me. I swear. I dig into some item now.
I said, nice, you prick my CP, so belly flop, yeah.
Yeah, man, you don't know your peeps, so we are getting to it right now. See my little one point, I say, yeah? You don't know, so right now, I say it come down, you know. Bro, you don't have to deal with female. You don't know. Benji did an amazing job. Can't complain, I swear to God. It's so bad.
My second round.
You go for seconds? Yeah, man, so you don't know any peeps. Just want to bless up on you. Saying peace out, God bless, and one love, and stick and safe in next adventure because we have a lot of videos coming. You don't know, so catch you in the next one. Big up on yourself, alright?